I just went up the part I showed you. It's very exhausting. So it's now about 5:30 in the morning, and as you see, you can't still see anything. It's still very foggy, so I think we'll not be able to see the sunrise today. We are now back at the top where we have been also yesterday evening, and yeah, it's as unwelcoming as yesterday. So there's a lot of wind, it's wet, it's foggy, and you can't see anything. The only difference is there are now a lot of people here waiting for the sunrise, but I think nobody will be able to see today because it's just too foggy. So we will just see how the fog gets brighter, but I think that's everything. So the sun has already risen, nobody hasn't seen anything. So we will now go back to the hotel, have a shower, have breakfast, and then wait for the fog to disappear, that we can continue our hiking to the next station where we then can go down. But yeah, the next hiking trip will be about 4 hours until we then can go down. So that's the plan for this morning. And yeah, we didn't see sunset, we didn't see sunrise. Even the weather forecast said yeah, it will be a sunny day yesterday and also today, but yeah, like you see, it still can be that it's really foggy up here, so it's very hard to predict the weather before you come here and which is the right time to go up. So the forecast was the best we could have, but as you can see, the conditions are not. So now we will go down, and maybe we will come back some years later to check if we are lucky then this time. Yeah, small story to foggy weather. The first time my wife has been to the Great Wall, it was the same. So we also had a lot of fog, and if you stand on one side of the wall, you didn't see the other side. So actually, you didn't see anything for the whole morning. And the first time when she has been to the Great Wall, she didn't see the Great Wall at all. So yeah, also very funny. But we've been there then. I think 1 year later we have been there again, and then it was best sunshine weather and as you can wish, and yeah, it was very beautiful. And I hope it will be the same here. Maybe some years later we will come back with better weather and then maybe see the sunrise and the sunset. I hope in the morning we can yeah, the fog will disappear and that we can see the scenery again. So see you later. So we packed up all of our stuff and now we will go back, yeah, walking on the mountain trails. It's still very foggy, but I checked some webcams and in about 1.5 kilometers there should be no fog anymore. So I hope the picture from the webcam was up to date. So maybe in 1.5 kilometers I can show you some more footage of the mountain and less fog. So today you have to be lucky that there's wind at the right moment, that the mountain on wheels, then you can see what's there. Just 1 minute ago it was just fog, so we didn't see anything, but now we see at least the mountain. The hard part of walking up here is that you have to go up and down again the stairs, so it's very exhausting, especially with this amount of luggage. And when you're up, you have to wait until the mountain unveils itself again. So I'm a little bit lucky, so I have to see it. sky, and behind there maybe there's the sun. I hope when we walk further that we can see a little bit more. The background picture was like, here it's still the same foggy as down, so we can't see anything from up here. I hope it will be better when we continue walking, but at the moment too foggy, we can't see anything. Actually this should be a pretty place where you can see a beautiful mountain scenery, but today nothing. Even if it's very foggy today, sometimes when you come up here, you will be rewarded with a good view to the mountain. We've now decided to stay at one of the highest points we have here on our journey. We are now about, when the map is right, 1,860 meters. And when I check the map, this is the highest point of the route we are walking today. And we decided to stay here for about half an hour and wait if maybe the fog will go away and we take some pictures from here, because here the scenery will be very good if you can see anything. So 5 minutes ago I was really really positive about it, because the fog was going slowly away and you could see more and more from the mountain, but now it gets foggy again, so it's really hard to predict what will happen. So we wait for half an hour here and maybe the fog will go, maybe the fog will be more, so let's see. And then I will take some videos or we will continue. The second part of our route is much more much more exhausting than the first part, and you can see it by the statistics from my Apple Watch. So for example, you see from yesterday I walked up and down 70 floors. That's what the counter counted, so there are a lot of stairs on the mountain. And yesterday I walked for about, let me think about, I think 2 or 3 hours, and it was 70 floors. Today I'm walking for about 1.5 hours and already have 160 floors which I went up and down, so there are much more stairs on the second part, and I'm still not done. There are 2 more hours or maybe also 3 more hours walking in front of me, so today will be very, very hard and very exhausting, much harder than yesterday, because yesterday there was also a lot of parts where you can just walk on the same level. You didn't have to go up or down, but that's different today, so much harder. We waited for half an hour, but as you see, didn't get much better. So sometimes there's fog, sometimes there's no fog, but all in all it's very foggy, so we will continue and maybe we will see some other places where there's less fog. So what you see up there is the peak where we have been for about 30 minutes, and you see from down here view is much better, or also the fog is settling and the sky is getting more blue, and we see also more sun, so it's also getting warmer because it was also cold, especially up there where there was a lot of wind. So now it's getting better, and I hope the rest of the hiking will be the same. So after I went down from there to there where you see the buildings, and then back up to here, then the fog settled a little bit, and now you can see the mountain panorama as well. And I finally can take some pictures and make some videos to show you how beautiful it is up here. I just went down a lot of stairs, but it seems I have to walk up a lot of stairs again. Look at my happy face. That's my happy face. Now I see more stairs to climb. More stairs to climb. I just went up the part I showed you. It's very exhausting, but I'm not here. And if you come here, there's a small supermarket if you want to fuel up, get some drinks or some food. And the view is okay from here. And now it goes down again. I hope it will not go up again. So I hope this was the last time I have to go up. So let's go down, and I hope maybe in the next hour we can reach the cable car. This is my, I have to go upstairs again, face. This is my, I can see the cable car and the beautiful mountain without fog face. Cable car's down there. And it's below me, not up, so it means I don't have to walk upstairs, so very good. So just, I think maybe half an hour and then I can go down. As you can see, the cable car is very, very close, but to go there we have to walk there, have to walk up there, and have to go down there, and then we arrive at the cable car. So even if it's very close, I have to go up again. So I have to walk up again, face. So we arrived at cable car. We just need tickets, and then we're going to go down again.